In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Upwork app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, for you to get the right Upwork app on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app from your phone. So if I tap on this, here you should see a search bar here. You need to go ahead and search for your app. However, for you to be able to do this, first you need to go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. And if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon here. Tap on it to activate search bar. Then go ahead and just search for Upwork. This is a freelancing platform, and to search for it, go ahead and tap on search and then open the app. To make sure that it is the right app, make sure it is from Upwork Global. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 214,000 reviews, and the average file size of this app is 57 MBs, and currently this app has been downloaded over 10 million times. If you see all these details, then you will know that you have the right app. To get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of Upwork and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should be able to see Upwork here. If you open it, this is the welcoming interface. From here, you can proceed and choose whether you are a client or a freelancer. And if you already have an account, go ahead and log in or create one if you are new. So that's how you can install the right Upwork app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.